Hey, how you doing? And thank you for watching. Today, I'm going to answer the question, what is account-based marketing? And why does it matter to B2B software as a service companies? And what can we learn from the large enterprise sales organizations that are using ABM? And how can you get started?
Lean marketing for SaaS. Narrate the dream team to put you on a map. Obsessed with your growth. Dissecting the most sophisticated insights for these experts to coach.
What is account-based marketing, or ABM? It's sometimes called key account marketing as well. And I think it can be broken down very simply into two basic concepts. Number one is it's an alignment of sales and marketing as departments and people coming together and agreeing to work together towards a common goal. And that goal, or the tactic, is to focus only on a very specific list of predetermined accounts chosen with specific criteria. So that means things like your content, like social media, and your advertising, and your events, and all of that is focused on just a very specific set of accounts. It's very popular with large enterprise sales organizations, and yet it seems obvious that it's a tactic that should be deployed by smaller early stage startups as well. After all, it's a concept that's only just coming into vogue now, and a lot of fuss is being made about how it's being used successfully within these large organizations. But switching to a tactic like that within a large organization is kind of like turning an oil tanker. It takes forever. Whereas embracing account-based marketing early on with an early stage software startup makes great common sense to me for a number of reasons. So why should you adopt ABM in your early stage software startup? Well, it's a much more cost-effective way of preparing your marketing assets. In an early stage software company, oftentimes the sales department and the marketing department are the same people. You don't have a massive headcount. There isn't a huge alignment problem because there are so few people. And so aligning under a common goal of going after just a specific set of accounts makes great common sense. You don't have the resources to reach everyone. And so choosing just a very specific set of accounts is an excellent way to get better mileage out of the marketing assets that you create, or if you like, a better return on time for the amount of investment you're going to make into creating assets or attending events. Imagine if you were choosing which events to attend. Events are going to become a thing again, by the way. And when you're choosing which events to attend, having a specific set of criteria or a specific set of accounts and deciding or determining in advance whether or not those accounts were actually attending those events can help you shortlist the events you attend. Money saved. And the same goes for creating assets or social media activity. All of it, if it's all being determined by a set of companies that you want to do business with, that both your salespeople and your marketing people agree are ideal accounts for you, it's a great way to eliminate waste. And we love that with the lean methodology, don't we? Now, how does ABM differ from inbound? Well, in my mind, it doesn't necessarily. The only differentiation, if there is any, is that when I teach inbound, I would say to go a little deeper. Don't just strictly focus on the account, but focus on the person or the people within those accounts whose lives can be made better by your product. Who is easiest for you to reach? So how do you get started with ABM? If it were me, I would do some strategy work in advance, determine the ideal client profile that you want to do business with, and then make a list of 100 accounts or companies that fit those criteria that you want to do business with. And to do that, I think it's easiest maybe to think of two very specific criteria. Imagine, if you will, a Venn diagram. And in one circle of the Venn diagram is companies that we can help with our existing product set. And in the other diagram is companies who are ready to buy from us now. And what we want to make is to make a list of 100 that are right in the sweet spot of the middle. Then once you have your list of 100, you can do things like follow all of them and all of their departments on social media. You can, as I mentioned before, you can sign up to attend the events that those people will be attending. You can create content that is specific to those companies and to the job titles of the people or the teams within those companies that are in the position to benefit from the product that you have. ABM, or using ABM tactics, can help you focus your marketing and sales efforts down to a very, very specific target niche. And so everything you do will resonate that much better with the people that you have shortlisted. Let's talk about benefits for a second. Number one, you get better mileage out of all of the marketing assets that you create. Number two, your messaging will resonate so much better with the people that you're trying to reach. And lastly, you will assist the sales process by having aligned messaging. If marketing is helping to instruct and nurture and to teach prospects how to become your customer, the job of the salesperson is made so much easier because they're taking warm leads. They're having informed people asking the right questions on the call because your marketing efforts were designed to resonate and to teach and to instruct just those specific people within a specific industry, job title, and company. See where I'm going with this? Is this making sense to you? If you want to have a conversation about this, you want to ask more questions and understand how you can use ABM or content marketing or inbound to get more leads for your software as a service company, convert more of them to your list, nurture them towards sale, and get more sales demos and more sales, then I invite you to book a call with me. There is a link below this video. Wherever you happen to be watching it, there should be a link below this video for you to book a 45-minute strategy call with me. No strings attached, just ask your questions. Yes, I have a content marketing program I would love to tell you about, and we'll probably get to that on the call, but I'm here to help you. What questions do you have? How can I help you get unstuck? Where do you want to go? Where are you now? And what blockers are standing in the way of that success? You want to ask me? Book a call. I'm not that scary. Just ask. Does that work for you? Because it works for me. And as always, if you're getting value out of these videos, click the like button, click subscribe, follow me. It helps other people to see these videos, and I'm truly grateful for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.